Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you the difference between Ifa priest, known as Babalawo in Yoruba religion, and herbalist, known as Onishegun in Yoruba Ìṣẹ̀ṣe religion. A lot of people mix these two together. In most cases, they feel Babalawo is an Onishegun. It has been a total mix-up and a misconception that when someone wants to harm someone, that he or she goes to an Ifa priest for help, that he or she is given a charm, and that the evil intention most likely succeeds. Babalawo, Onishegun, or Ologun Ika. These are different set of people. Sit back and relax as we watch this video till the end for you to understand the difference. So, first of all, let me start with who Babalawo is. Who is a Babalawo? The word Babalawo literally means the father of mysteries. The name Babalawo is a spiritual title given to a man or someone we can call a father, as Baba means father in Yoruba language. Babalawo is a priest of the Ifa oracle. As you know that Ifa is a divination system that represents the teaching of the Orisha Orunmila, who is the Orisha of wisdom, and he is the representative of Olodumare. He is the Grand Ifa priest. If you want to know more about Orunmila, a video is at the end screen of this video that explains in details who Orunmila is. However, a Babalawo's female counterpart is known as Iyanifa. So, a Babalawo is the one that is positioned in Ifa Olokun Asorodayo to solve the problems of this world for humanity's sake. It solves problems about people's lives and make this world a better place. In Yoruba land, it is common that when someone sees someone with leaves in his hands, or when they hear chanting of incantations, these people are quick at concluding that such person is a Babalawo. No, it is not right. A Babalawo, known as an Ifa priest in Yoruba religion, is exactly what the pastor is to the church and what imam is to the mosque as well. Babalawos do not cast Ifa to do evil on people, but only for good. A Babalawo relies solely on Ifa to solve humanity problems with the prescription of what is called Ebo or Etutu, known as sacrifice in English language. Babalawos are used to a saying which says in Yoruba language that ríru ẹbọ ní ń gbéni, àìrú ẹbọ kì í gbénìyàn, meaning it is when you do sacrifice that you can be favored, but when you don't, reverse is the case. This indicates that Babalawo place high importance on Ebo or Etutu to solve problems. With Ebo, you are going to be protected from evil or enables you to stay away from your possible future problems. Having said this about who Babalawo is, let's jump straight to Onishegun, called herbalist in English language. Who is an herbalist known as Onishegun in Yoruba language? Onishegun literally means the one who makes charms or herbal medicines. An herbalist called Onishegun deals with roots, herbs, and other materials together with incantations when necessary to solve problems or do otherwise. When Onishegun do otherwise, maybe, for instance, prepare charm to hurt someone, he is called Ologun Ika, meaning a wicked herbalist. In Yoruba religion, it is believed that Ologun Ika look wretched due to the wickedness they commit. Generally, Onishegun can decide to use his knowledge of herbs, roots, and other materials for good or evil purposes. Likewise, some Babalawos equally learn or know about roots and herbs because Ifa might recommend a solution that requires roots or herbs. Such Babalawo may not necessarily refer the client to Onishegun. He makes the herb according to what is revealed from the Odu Ifa. But majorly, Onishegun specializes in charm making or herbal medicine making with the use of herbs, roots, or other materials. Onishegun get their knowledge from either as inheritance from their father, training, or natural gift. I hope you have learned something from this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.